What's up, guys? I just wanted to let you know that since I haven't put any content out in about a month, that I was going to give you 2 videos today instead of just one. I'm going to give you a tour of my garden. You ready? Let's go! First, we have some basil here. And here is some parsley. Here is chamomile, fennel. Here's peppermint. Here we have some dill and some lavender. Here's thyme. It's about time we have thyme. Here we have stevia and some more basil. And these are all blueberry bushes. Look at all those dang blueberries. Look at those. Yeah. Here we have some raspberries. Cucumbers. Look at them dang cucumbers, man. Yeah. And oh yeah, we have some bees to pollinate our garden and our flowers. Here we have some Jimmy Nardello peppers. Here we have some orange peppers. There's some lettuce. Here's some tomatoes. I'm not sure which kind because we have so many varieties. It's hard to keep track. Some banana peppers. Some cherry bell peppers. Right here, these are my babies. These are Carolina Reaper peppers. Super hot! Here's some, I believe, Roma tomatoes. Some squash plants. This here tall tree is a fig. Oh yeah. Mixed in with all these weeds and grass. We got some beets. Some red onions, boy. Here we have some jalapenos. I love these. I like to make jalapeno poppers. Put them on pizza. Whatever. I haven't ate a whole one before. Don't recommend it though. Here we have some eggplant. This particular kind is white eggplant. This jangled mess of leaves is horseradish. Good stuff. Tomatoes galore. Look at them, all them taters. Tomatoes. Yee. Here we got some zucchinis. Look at this big zucchini down here. Whoa, man. Zoink scoops. Here are the potatoes. Got all that straw. Keep them under the ground. Some apples. This is a peach tree right here, but as you can see, there is no peaches, so we're gonna have to cut it down and get some more. Celery plant right here. We cut it all down already. Yes, we got some chickens as well. Another apple tree. Another apple tree. Some nice, good-sized apples. Some more bees. Got some pomegranate plants. Some blackberries. Here we got a lime or lemon. I'm not sure which. But look at that sucker. Look at that. Look at that. Just look at it. And there you go. There's the garden. Hope you enjoyed it. Later.